Hi, my pupils. I'm Mr. Said from Learning Teacher Email channel. Today, this video it will be revised for the grammar of grade 3 and grade 4. I will make you a quick revise on this video. But before I will go to make our revise today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. Send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. I explained this lesson before, but today I would like to make a quick revise to remind you what we took during 2 years 3 and 4. Okay, this for grade 3 and grade 4. Here we talk about the present simple tense, and we know the present simple tense is used to describe what. Can you remember when we use the present simple tense? We use the present simple tense to describe what habits and facts. And the formula of this tense could be adding s, es, ies, and o. And we know the when we add s and es, ies. Here we have this is in singular, and in plural where we put the verb in the base or in the infinitive form, like this we have here: runs, swims, plays, and so on. If we have double s like this, or s, ch, ch, x, o, we're adding es like this, es, and so on. Here we have adding es to by the constant. If we have a constant vowel, a constant sound, we adding y like this. We have here fly, to be flies, to be cries, and so on. Okay, we omit y and adding ies, and adding ies to the verb. Okay. The keyword of this task, it will be what? It will be every day, week, month, and so on Mondays or Tuesdays in December. Frequency adverbs, we know frequency adverbs always, usually, sometimes, never, often, and as we know is a percentage, always means the habit is having 100%, and never means the habit can't happen by 0%. Okay, can't happen 0%. Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb like this. We have like this. We say he always goes to school late. He is always late. Okay, like this. We say he never goes to school late. So here, never here equal what? Equal doesn't. Let's continue this lesson. We asked about adverbs. Today I will make a quick revise. This lesson I explained before, but today I will make a quick revise to don't make the video longer. Okay. Here we ask about adverbs frequency when we want to know what happened, the times that this act, that's the habit is happening. We say how often means happen, means twice a week, once a week, and so on. So how often ask about the time of this habit, the time that this of this habit. Okay, so we usually place times. How often does he play tennis? Okay. In the negative form, we use do and doesn't, as we told before. Here we use do and does, as we told before. We have here like this. Primitive state like this. My father works in a hospital. He's a doctor. Okay. This is the primitive states means the act that happened. Can't happen. Means he works in a hospital, so he is a doctor. He works in a school, so it will be a teacher like this. She's a teacher. When you say he works in a school, he is a teacher. Okay, he works in a hospital. He is a doctor. Things we often do like this. Can say things that we often do, like we goes to club, we goes to my grandparents, and so on. Okay, here we have general facts like this. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. Here we have and have. When we use have and does, we use don't, and we use don't here. We say do. When we have has here, we use does. Does he, and the verb here have return to the stem like this. Does he have a small car, and so on. Let's go to another one. we use some, any, and. As we told before, as we know before, that when we use some and when we use in, we use some with offers, with requests, with affirmative forms. We use any with questions and negative forms. Let's know more about this lesson. Here we use also a and n before countable nouns. Like this, we have a book, we have a desk, and an apple, an orange. Some is used for positive sentence or affirmative sentence, like say some boys, some packets, and so, some boys, some packets, and so on. Okay. Any, we use any with what? With negative form and question form. Okay, like this. Have you got any campers? Or I haven't got any flower. Okay, this one. Let's go to another one here. Here we use there is and there are. There is with singular statement, and there are with the plural statement, and this called abbreviation, like this. We abbreviate is like this, and abbreviate are like this. Okay, and aren't is to as it is. Okay, here is we use it in the interrogative when we use a short sentence like this. Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Okay. I answered this question before, and you can return to the videos to know it if you can't know. Okay. Here we have singular and plural. We use singular and plural. Singular describes one thing, and plural describes more than one thing. Like to say chairs, like to say here chairs, beans, and rulers. We have here apples, dogs, buildings, teachers. And here we have, and as we use in the present simple tense, we say some verbs adding es. Here we have in the nouns adding es like this: sh, ch, s, x, or z. So we adding es like this. We have books, boxes, glasses, brushes, tomatoes, watches, and so on. Here we have when we have y, I omit I and adding ies to the noun like this. Baby, it will be babies like this. Okay, knife, it will be knife. You omit e and adding ves to the noun. Okay. Here we have some special cases, like we have in like special cases like in the past simple tense we have regular and irregular. Here we have special cases like this: man, mean, children, um, children. We have here the one nouns adding es, nouns adding ies, nouns adding ves. I will give you one of every kind of this because we explained before, but today I will make it to provide to remember you what I told before. Here we have cakes. Here we have buses, adding here es to us. Here we have double s x o chsf, adding es, like we have buses, boxes, potatoes here o, and adding es to the noun. Here we have babies, we omit the y and adding is. We have here words, we omit f and adding ves. We have knives and so on. Let's go to the irregular nouns here. Here we have man, men, woman, women, children, mouse, mice, oxen, foot, feet, to steers. There are some people. Ship. Ship here is as it is. Okay, is singular as plural. Okay, we say ship, and fish. Okay, this is the special case in the plural noun. Here we have some plural nouns from some plural nouns here, and we put it s, es, ies, and vs as we told. Like we say, I will give you an example of baby. It will be babies, ies. Here we have church, to be es. Dash, to be es. Maps, adding s only. Here we have pencil, adding s only. Knife, adding ves only. This is an example, and you can do the rest as you know. Okay. I told this before, and I think you answered during the videos that I explained. Okay. I will not quick revise today to remember what I told. Here we have the past simple form. The past simple form of the verb to be. It will be was and were. I use was with what? With I, he, she, it takes was. I, he, she, it take was. You, we, they, take are. Okay. Sorry. He, she, sorry. I, you, we, they take. I, you, we, they take in the past simple was in verb to be. I, we, you, they take, wear. Okay, and the negative same and the question. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we have a past simple tense. When we use a past simple tense, we use a past simple tense to describe action, habit, and in the past. And as we told before, we use it to something that I will narrate it. Okay, what is the meaning of narrate? Means I narrate to someone what happened for me in the last day. When we say when we say yesterday, for example, we say yesterday. For example, I went to my grandparents. I played with my cousin. I bought some chocolates and candies and so on. Okay, so here I narrate. When I narrate, I use this tense. Okay, to describe the action that happened in the past. Here we have some regular verbs, and in this tense we have some irregular verbs and other regular verbs. A regular verb, it will be adding ed to the verb. In the next side, we have regular verbs. Regular verbs means that the verbs changes correctly. As we told before, we have many books, textbooks, and extra books, and many books. So we have here a regular verbs. We can search about this regular verb and keep it. Okay, it's important to keep this regular verb. Why? Because regular verbs in English, as we told many times and million times, is like the timetable in mathematics. Can you answer in the mathematics a problem without keeping the timetable? So this is the same in English. In English, we have the regular verbs must be kept. Must be kept grade 3 and grade 4 and every grade must be kept. Okay, no way to keep it. Okay, no way. Here we have like this. Here we say she helped her mother yesterday. So here we have this. This is irregular verb adding ed only. Here we have here we have here is regular. Here is irregular. Why? Because it changes correct. So here it will be go. I replaced go by what? By when. Okay. If you know the regular verb of the verb that we change it, we can do any sentence in English very easy. Okay. Here we have when we use did in the question form and in the negative form like this. Okay. Here I give you an example for the negative like this. He didn't go, and I would like to say to pay attention something grade 3 and 4. When we put did, the verb it will be in the steam form as we do in the present simple tense. Some of you can put did and put the verb in the past like this. Okay, past like this. Okay, we say go. For example, when the past of it. When we do this in the exam, what happened to this email? It will be easy. It will be easy. It will be zero. Can you say why 0, Miss Iman? I can tell you why 0 because here we have when we put did it, I replaced the past by I replaced the past. So the verb must be in the infinitive form, not like this. Okay, if we do this, it will be 0. Okay, must take care when you answer in the exam. Okay. Let's go to another one here, the other item. Here we have when we do a question form or yes, no question, like this. Did he miss the bus yesterday? So the short answer it will be yes, he did, or no, he didn't. We say, did he go to the market last week? Yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Let's go to another one here. Here we have adding the rules, adding ed like watch it and walk and so on. Like, love. Here we have when we say here tired, try, sorry, here try here I omit y and ended ied as we use in the present simple. We put s at the end of the verb. Here we have don't put an s, we put what put the ied like this. Tried and cried, tried and carried and so on. Okay. Here we have tape, stop. Okay. We have eat, ate. This is the verbs, and this is the regular verbs. Like I will read it to you. Here we have be, to be was and were in the past. Have, it will be have. come, came, lost, lost, put. We have some verbs that we can put it in the same in the past as the present. Okay, in the present as the past. You can say here read and read. Read in the past. Read, it will be pronounced as read but written as read, like this. Cut, run, rain, do, did. Say, said, draw, drew, see, saw, eat, ate, seal, sold, drink, drink. Okay, send, sent, slip, slip, for, till, go, went, speak, spoke, till, told, speak, spoke, where, wore, swim, swam, give, gave, hear, heard, forget, forgot. Let's go. Here is the exercise. I answered this exercise before. You can return to the video and watch how we answered it. Let's go to another one. Here we have punctuation. As you know, before I explain this lesson, and I make a separated video about the punctuation when we the rules that we use in English, like capitalization. Capitalization means I start the letter with I start the sentence with capital letter like this there, and here we have where and put the question mark at the end of the sentence. We can capitalize the names and other proper names must be written in capital letter. If you come in any place, the proper names and the names must be written in capital letter, like Jane, Judith, Tom, Dana, Dana, and so on. We have here my written in capital letter. Capitalized, we have capitalized days, months, and holidays. But not seasons. Seasons can be written in small letters. Okay, we have to say Monday in June, Valentine's Day, because it's a proper day. It's a famous day. Here we have capitalized status, countries, nationalities, and languages. Must be written in capital. When we say English, when we say British, when we say Dantish, 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 when we say German, when we say Egyptian, when we say Saudi Arabian, okay? All of these must be written in capital letter. English is made up of many languages, including Latin written in capital letter, German, and French. My mother, here is my written in capital letter. Why? Because it started the sentence by capital letter. We have British, here is a nationality. Dantish, here is a nationality, so I write it in capital letter. The capital of Egypt is Cairo, so here Cairo and Egypt is a famous place, so must be written in capital letter. Here we have sense and sensibility. Computer sense and sensibility is better than pride and prejudice. Okay, here we have rules that we must take care when we make the punctuation. When we do the question of punctuation, must put a dot or a period at the end of the sentence, like this. Say, I like pizza. School starts on Wednesday. We have here a question mark as during the lessons I explained that you don't forget to put the question mark if the sentence is the question, like this. What is she doing tonight? So when the sentence is interrogative form or a question form, must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Here we have an apostrophe like this, or we say, as we told you, abbreviation. When we say I am, I put apostrophe before am, before m. Here is called abbreviation. So must put apostrophe like this. He will, like this. She, I think she had. It is. So it will be here apostrophe. Did not, it will be did like this. Okay, like this, apostrophe. This called apostrophe. We use an apostrophe to show that a thing or a person belongs to. Like we say, Ben's party. or children's father. Okay, we have comma when we say like this. When you have many things, I must put a comma like this. I had coffee, toast, and fruits. I traveled with my husband, son, daughter, and nephew. Okay, rules 2. We have here when we make a greetings, I must put a apostrophe like this. Good day, good morning. So it will be here. We'll comma here. Okay. Rule 3. Rule 3. We have when a word or a phrase occurs at the beginning of a sentence or a comma should usually separate it from the main clause like this. Yes, when you say yes or no. Yes, we accept to attend the Christmas party. No, you shouldn't respond to a rhetorical question. Honesty, here is honesty. Why would you ever think that? To be honest, I didn't enjoy the food. In my opinion, the movie was more, so here is describing your opinion. The movie was more compelling than the book. Last week, here when we ask when we narrate, I put here I put here a comma. When we narrate, last week I went to the zoo with my family. We can say last week I went to my grandparents and for example, and I meet my cousins and I bought some chocolates and candies and so on. Okay, here we have last. Here we have before last, but after last we must follow by comma like this. In my opinion, comma like this. To be honest, comma like this. Honesty, no and yes. It's important to have a comma between after yes or no. Okay. Today our revise finished. Our revise finished today. Our revise finished today. Next class we will have a new lesson. Thanks a lot and see you again. Goodbye.